Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Andrew in Utah. First of all, thank you, Ranger. Thank you, Ranger, for saving the Galaxy 66 for guys that loved them and making them even a more beautiful radio. This is the Superstar SS-626 that replaced the discontinued Galaxy 66. Thankfully, they've got matching counter and channel displays. Blue meter light as well. You've got SWR auto, so you just flip it over there and key it up and read your bottom scale right there. Okay. You got 40 up and 40 down, talk back and 10 kilohertz. You got echo, so this thing's ready to roll. These are dual final radios, 25 watt slug with the arc power all the way down, and I've got you at 1 watt. Now the reason I did that, Andrew, because you're getting this Texas Star 350 and it's going to work out great for it. It is the older model 350 you bought from us. So there's 10 watts all the way up. Now, that'll be fine if you're just running the radio. Let me show you average power swing. Hello, 22 bird. 22 bird. 50 watt slug of peak. Hello, 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 hello. 46 peak. And let me tell you, Andrew, this has got the Ranger Echo board in it, which is the good one. And this thing is an audio monster. So guys, if you're wanting the 66 Galaxy, this is the replacement here. Got plenty of these in stock. Pay attention as you check out. It tells you exactly the average wait time on current builds. And for those of you wondering about sending in radios, we're not accepting any radios at all to be sent in unless it's something we've sold new and you need to take a look at something. Again, Andrew, there you go, bud. I appreciate it. From us here at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.